Alright everybody, welcome to the sample video for DeDrive 3.0. So I am creating this video just to give you an overlook of how DeDrive works. Now, what is DeDrive? DeDrive is a decentralized web application that allows you to upload, view and share, and also revoke access to your files. Now, before now, we know of file systems such as Google Drive, TeraBox and Dropbox, but these file systems are Web2 file systems. They are centralized file systems. But DeDrive is a decentralized file system. With the help of IPFS and the blockchain network, you can upload, you can share, and you can view your files without the help of any intermediary or any third parties. So without wasting too much of your time, I'll quickly show you a quick overview of how the application works and a sneak peek into the code base. If you guys want me to create a tutorial on how to build something like this from scratch to finish, then you drop a comment, and if there are enough, I will do so. So when you come to this website, DeDrive-3-0.onrender.com, it is hosted on Render, so yes, it is live. DeDrive-3-0.onrender.com, you are met with this home page. Now this is the landing page of the website, and once you click connect, wallet MetaMask pops up and you are asked to connect your wallet. Now the smart contract that was used for this was deployed to the Sepolia network. So as you can see, because I am not on Sepolia, it is asking me that I need to switch, so I will switch network. We got an error and the application caught it correctly, so you can see we are connected. Let me verify that on MetaMask. Okay, as you can see, we are connected to this site. Good. So the first thing you want to do when connected is to upload a file. Now you can upload the file through your file explorer, either by clicking on this or by dragging and dropping a file onto the file explorer.